This is your man on the street, Eric Fribush, coming live, Facebook Weather Service. And as you can see, it's daylight out now. It's almost 8:30 a.m. And I gotta tell you, what a difference a night makes. Look at these mounds of snow out here. Bobcat's been working all night. Look at these mounds of snow. Anybody who hasn't gone outside yet today is in for a real treat. We got mounds of snow all over the street. Bobcat guy's taking a break. Let's see what we got going on down here. He's going to start it back up. Mounds of snow in the parking spots. It is just pandemonium out here. Wait till everybody comes out and has to start shoveling. Snow's still coming down. We're probably looking at least an inch or two an hour. Going to be still snowing out throughout the day. We're going to come to you live all day with updates. Stay tuned here on Facebook Weather Service. We're going to see if we can interview the Bobcat guy a little bit later. See how things have been going. He's asking us to move. Saw a little hand. Giving us a little hand to move. So let's get out of the way. Let's let these guys do their job. Look at this snow. I mean, this snow is just crazy. Stay tuned live all day. I'm gonna have all the kids out here later. I'm gonna be interviewing a bunch of people. Try and interview the Homeowners Association president. See what the plans are for the community. This is Facebook Weather Service. This truly is the big one.